In the heartland of Karnataka lies a hidden secret, waiting to be discovered. Are you ready to embark on a thrilling adventure filled with magic and mystery? Join Nooni, an inquisitive young girl, as she sets off on a journey that will change her life forever. Nooni, a city girl, finds herself amidst the wonders and challenges of her grandparents' village in Karnataka. Determined to embrace this new experience, she immerses herself in the daily life of the villagers. From making papads to organizing picnics, Nooni's life takes an unexpected turn when she stumbles upon an ancient stepwell hidden deep within the forest. As Nooni delves deeper into the mysteries surrounding the stepwell, she unravels secrets beyond her wildest imagination. With the help of her newfound friends, Nooni begins a quest to uncover the truth hidden within the depths of the forest. Follow Nooni's footsteps as she navigates through ancient legends, enchanted artifacts, and unexpected twists, all leading to a revelation that will leave you spellbound. Authored by the renowned Sudha Murthy, The Magic of the Lost Temple is a heartwarming tale that captivates readers of all ages. Sudha Murthy, an accomplished writer and philanthropist, weaves a story that not only entertains but also imparts valuable life lessons. So, are you ready to embark on an extraordinary adventure and unlock the magic of the Lost Temple? Subscribe to our channel and join us on this enchanting journey with the magic of the Lost Temple. Let your imagination soar and your heart be filled with wonder.